So that's a wrap. Sciatica September. Oh my gosh. 30 days of videos to support you in understanding sciatica and giving you simple skills and tools that you can use to help free yourself from sciatica. There's a lot of information here, and there's even more. I could probably talk for a year about sciatica, truly. And so some folks have been emailing me like, Kat, how can I work with you? Do you do telehealth conferences? Do you meet with people? Do you have a course that I can go through that puts this material together easily so that I can follow it and know what to do every single day so I don't have to think about it and go around through the videos and try to put it together? Well, yes, I do. Yes, I do telehealth consultations. And the best thing to do is to check out the Sciatica Healing Journey. My next one is starting October 9th, 2022. That night, I'm going to go live. I'm going to talk to everybody. We'll be in a Zoom and we start together. With this, we have a team. We have a Facebook group that we connect with, and then you can hear each other's experiences. You can talk to each other. You can ask me questions. Is this right? Am I doing this right? What's going on over here? This happened, so that it can be clear. And you have step-by-step instructions of what to do each day, so you don't even have to think about it. I have created 3 tracks for this course. One is for left hip high people, one is for right hip high people, and one is for people whose hips are basically even, and you do the practices on both sides. But if you have one hip higher than the other, you don't want to do the same thing side to side. From right side and left side. So yes, we can continue to work together. Yes, I hope you'll join the Sciatica Guided Healing Journey with me starting October 9th, 2022. Now, if you're watching this after this time, then check the links below, because I'm going to be doing these guided healing journeys a couple times a year. It's not something that I have the time to do all the time, but it's going to be a couple times a year, because I want to give attention to the folks that are going through this program to really support you kicking sciatica in the ass and get rid of it, because I was able to do that. I've helped thousands of people able to do that and get themselves free, and that's what I want your story to be. So you can check out these videos in the Sciatica September. All of them are helpful. There's even more information that I would love to share with you and love to help you truly get free from sciatica pain and get back to living. I'll see you next time.